Do you want to make up to $250 per day by selling digital downloads on Etsy? Then watch this video until the end, because I will show you every step of the way, from picking a digital download product to sell, to listing it on Etsy, to fulfilling orders. We've got you covered in this video. So make sure that you watch until the very end so that you don't miss any steps. So step number 1 is figuring out what digital download product you want to sell. There's a lot of options available, and here are some examples. So a popular digital download product is a digital planner. Now, as you can see, here are some examples. So this one, for example, costs €1.17. It has 1.2 thousand reviews, and about 10% of people leave a review, so that means that it has about 12,000 sales. And when you multiply that by the price, you will see that this product has made a nice amount of money, and that goes for all of these products right here. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of good listings on the digital planner product, so this may not be a great market to go into. Now, here are some more examples. Thank you cards. You may think that thank you cards are a physical product, but as you can see, these are all digital downloads. What you are selling is the design for the digital product and not the actual card. So you can see that these are digital downloads by this little thing right here that says digital download. Now let's take this one for example. This product right here sells for €2 per download, and it has 9,200 reviews. Going off the same percentage that about 10% of people leave reviews, that means this product has been sold about 90,000 times. When we multiply this by €2, that means this product has made this person €180,000. So now when we click on the product, you will see that this is a Canva editable business card. So they just made a design once in Canva, and they have sold this tens of thousands of times. So I'll show you how you can do the same thing. Now, a few more examples of products that sell very well are logo designs. So as you can see, these are also digital downloads, and these also sell for way more money. For example, these right here sell for about €13. Another example are business cards. So as you can see, these are also digital downloads, and then it can get as specific as a weight loss tracker. So as you can see, these are weight loss trackers that people have made. As you can see, this one right here is even just made in Canva. So even on a very niche product like this, you can see that there are a lot of sales, since this product has about 32,000 reviews, which means it has about over 300,000 sales. So when you multiply 300,000 with €2.50, it's basically just a lot of money for just this product. So just figure out what product you want to sell, and you can also use the search bar right here to see what people on Etsy are looking for. For example, if you type in tracker for, and then here you have some examples. Let's say tracker for K, then it says kids for L, for lending out money to family. And like this, you can just find a bunch of stuff that people are actually looking for. So just find a digital download product to sell on Etsy. The more specific, the less competition, but also the less search volume basically. So when picking a product, make sure that you begin with products that have very little competition, since you are just getting started. And as you get better at it and better at designing, so you can design products like this one right here, which I'll show you exactly how to do, only then you can actually go into the very competitive keywords such as digital planner right here. So now that you know the kind of product that you want to sell, you need to design it. For this, I use Canva. So the reason that I use Canva is because they have pre-made templates. For example, if I want to sell business cards, I can type in business card right here. And then when you click search, you will get templates for business cards. Now, some of these will be in the Pro plan. I actually use the Pro plan, and you can get a 30-day free trial on this. But as you can see, these ones right here are completely for free to make. So just find one that you like. Let's say you wanted business cards to look something like this. Now you can choose a paper type, so that is how it will look. So either premium paper or standard paper. Now, of course, this may be different on what type of product you are selling, so I won't get into the specific details for this. But with Canva, you can really easily change anything here. So you can just upload this. So on Etsy.com, when we go to business card, you can see what the competition is doing. So you can see, for example, this one right here doesn't even show a business card. So the competition is not great right here. So it will be pretty easy to outrank them. So if you want to sell this as a customizable product, which you can see right here as well, you can see they created this design. And now when people purchase this, they will just get a link where they can also design this product. And you will see this right here. This is also Canva. And they sell this for €4.61. So just make your design, and then what you can do is click share and then click on template link. Now when you click create template link, you will now have this link right here. Now when somebody purchases your product on Canva, you will see that now they will see this right here. So this is the template we just created. So now when they click on use template for new design, they can sign up with Google and they can really easily change this right here. And then what they can do is click print business card, and then they can just print their business cards right here. So it's a really easy process, and I do recommend showing how to do this in your Etsy listing. So as you can see, they just created this screen recording and you can do the same. So now you want to have pictures like this because this looks a lot better to sell. So we have the product right here. So now you will need Canva Pro to do the following. And Canva Pro is only $10 per month, so it's definitely worth it in my opinion. But what you can do is take the design, and then when you click on print business cards right here, you will now get images here. So as you can see, when I make this big, you will see the images here. So you can see the specific details here. And now if I change that right here, so if I change this font, for example, this is not really going to look good, but if I change it to that, you will now see that the picture here also changes to that what I just made. So you can take the pictures right here that you think look best. Let's say you want to use this one, simply download the image, or you can screenshot it and then go to Etsy and create your account. And of course you will need to have a store. Then just create your Etsy store and upload the products. As you can see, this person right here is doing exactly what I just showed you. This image right here is the same image that you see right here. As you can see, they just took the Canva image and uploaded it right there. And the same goes for the other images that they created right here. Now also just enter a screen recording of how it worked, because that will improve your conversion massively. So now when you buy this from this person, they will provide you with the link right here. So that's the template link, and then they can just go ahead and design it themselves and buy the products from Canva. So you can do this with any product. And for example, if you want to sell a digital planner, then you can just search for digital planner right here. And then you will also have templates for digital planners. For example, this one right here. This is in the Pro plan. I really do recommend getting the Pro plan, because otherwise it will be way more difficult. And when I click customize this template, I can do the exact same. So I can change it however I like. I can create multiple pages. And now when I click share and then click on template link, then click create template link, I can do this again. And when I click print notebooks, I can also get the images again. So this image right here is, for example, a great image to upload onto Etsy. So it's so easy to do. Now you can also just sell the physical product, so you can buy it from here and ship it out to the customer. But selling the digital download is even easier. So when you sell a product like this for like €5, just like this person is doing right here, and these people even sell it for €15, and you can see that they have 10,000 reviews. So they have sold this at least 70,000 times. And when you multiply this by 70,000, it's a great amount of money. And now you can just do this with as many products as you want and really get your store going. So that's exactly how to make money on Etsy with digital downloads. And you can do this to make even up to €1,000 per day, because most of these stores you see right here don't have just this product, they have even more. For example, when I go to this person's store, so their store is called Brighter Plans, you can see that they have a bunch of these products, as you can see right here. So just go ahead and create a bunch of them, and you can see these people have 30,000 sales. So as you can see, most of these products are like €2. So this person has made €60,000. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.